Moving on, Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed has presented a budget proposal of 195 billion naira for capital and recurrent services for the 2022 fiscal year to the State House of Assembly. The budget, which, according to Governor Bala Mohammed, is 8.5% lower than this year, comprised recurrent expenditure of 84 billion naira, constituting 43%, while capital expenditure received a sum of 110 billion naira at 57%. Our Bauchi State correspondent Awal Hassan completes the story.
The moment when Bauchi State Governor Bala Mohammed presented a budget proposal for the 2022 fiscal year to the State House of Assembly. The governor, while presenting the budget proposal before the State House of Assembly, says the 2022 budget is 8.5 lower than this year, a reduction of which is arrived at in order to align the government's project with the current economic realities.
This conservative approach was adopted to ensure that projects and programs captured are implemented. Mr. Speaker, honorable members, the process of the preparation of the budget has been all-inclusive. Budget public hearings were conducted in the 3 senatorial districts, while inputs from stakeholders were elicited and incorporated into the budget.
Governor Bala Mohammed says the budget comprised of recurrent expenditure of over 84 billion naira at 43%, while capital expenditure received the sum of over 110 billion naira, which is at 57%.
The sum of 195 billion 355,607,143 naira has been budgeted for capital and recurrent services during the 2022 fiscal year. This comprises of recurrent expenditure of 84 billion 375,180,510 naira, of which 3%, while capital expenditure receives the sum of 110 billion 620,426,625 naira, or 57% of the budget.
In his remark, the Speaker of the State House of Assembly, Abubakar Suleiman, reassures their commitment for a continuous working relationship with the executive arm of the government for the development of the state.
Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to assure you that we are ready to execute the same commitment for the good people of our state. We will dispassionately scrutinize the budget and ensure its timely passage.
The proposal was tagged Budget of Consolidation and Continuous Commitment. Awal Hassan, Viewer TV News, Bauchi.